I'm gonna go here. Come back. Oh.
I heard that. Oh my God.
She said, come back, don't go. I'll be back. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just shutting the spirit box off, but I'm not leaving the house, okay? Okay? They don't want me to go. This is sad.
Alright, now we'll watch this clip closely, and then watch the one I show you after from my night vision camera I have posted downstairs at the bottom of the stairs.
I hate shutting it down because they get really upset.
Now watch this doorway. You can see him go in front of the candle. See right there? See him walk down? I'm going to show you again. Now watch the following clip. You'll clearly see that he can in fact reach back and open that door, and that he did in fact do it here. And you can see that he clearly swaps hands with the phone so that he can reach back and pop that door back open.
Yeah. I hate shutting it down because they get really upset.
Now watch this doorway. You can see him go in front of the candle. See right there? See him walk down?
So hard to catch those things, you know?
Yeah.